Hello, welcome to your Fingernail Fixer video. Today we are going to do some neutral fun looks with stamping and kind of metallic type colors. Start off by polishing your nail in a neutral shimmery color, then go ahead and apply a second coat, curing both of those layers. Using a shimmering silver color, apply a stripe or two down one side of the nail. You'll want to leave this wet. After you've applied your shimmery silver color, come in with either a shimmery gold or shimmery copper, something that is going to contrast the silver, and apply a stripe or two of that down the opposite side of the nail. Make sure you go ahead and leave this wet. Then using a small striping brush, swipe through from one side to the other, going down the silver side. Then in between the previous swipes, swipe down the opposite side going across the nail. This gives you a really cool neutral yet metallic background. Then you're ready to pick up your stamp. Choosing something abstract with not too many lines, but yet enough lines to really give you an idea of the background and let it shine through is going to be your ideal pattern for this look. Swipe a couple layers of your white polish that you like to stamp with. You could also stamp with your gel polish if you prefer. Scrape off the excess polish, pick it up on your clear stamper, and then look through the stamper to place it on the nail where you would like it. Once you have it placed, kind of rock the stamper around the nail a little bit to make sure it goes over all the different curves of the nail. Then using a dry brush or a brush with a tiny bit of alcohol or scrub fresh, you can go around the edges to clean them up and remove the excess nail polish. Once you have allowed the nail polish to dry, you can apply a matte top coat. The matte top coat is going to continue on with that really nice neutral look. However, the metallic through the matte top coat is going to give it a unique finish. I hope this tutorial gives you some fun ideas and you have a great time with it in the salon. Thanks for joining me. Please like and hit subscribe. See you next time.